Yo, what's up, YouTube? Happy 4th. Happy 4th of July. Not in the best of moods, but I'm gonna try to do something real quick. So I'm gonna try to get this header on a car real quick. Throw the spark plugs and wires in, and try to start it up. So just follow him because he wants to get out this cage so bad. Alright, so I came out here, had to put the O2 sensor on the header. Just getting the header set on. Go ahead and throw these nuts. These nuts on a header. And I don't know if you guys can see it down there. It's just the O2 sensor. Right there. Down in there, but we're not gonna focus on that too much. Alright, stay tuned. Try to get these nuts on this header. It's hand tight for the moment. Ah man, so I'm hoping I don't run into no hiccups, no issues. Once I get this thing started or whatnot. I'm shooting to try to get this thing started. Check my fuel pressure once I put my jump box on here. Make sure everything is working right. Alright, just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. So got all the bolts on and all the nuts on, tightened down. She ain't going nowhere. Guess I'll go get the spark plugs and spark plug wires. See what I can do with her. Alright, so I got the header on, spark plugs in, and I'm looking up the firing order right now. So dropping the spark plug wires in soon. A couple of seconds on. Let me get back to that real quick, and you guys stay tuned. So I got my spark plugs in. I guess it's the moment of truth. Let me get my jump box and see if I can get some oil pressure. So I already done cranked it over multiple times. Got some fuel pressure. It's not leaking anywhere that I can see or that you can see. And if you do see anything, let me know. Let's see if we get this thing to turn on. So unfortunately, she won't start. Like my LS meshes in the back. Yeah, that's for a later story. Can't get her to start. I'm gonna just pull the ECU out and check my base map and everything, and guess I'll give it another try in a little bit. Other than that, I'll probably leave the video here. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Always works, always help. And if you guys see anything, say something. Especially if you see that I did something wrong or see something I can do something different, or you have a suggestion, say something. Other than that, I appreciate you guys, and let me know what y'all think about the channel name, the new channel name. So yeah, I haven't did an intro for it yet or whatnot, but it'll be here soon. But other than that, please comment, subscribe, and thank you.